Introducing the Daily Power Booster from Healthy Master. Hi everyone, I am dietitian Dipti and today I'm going to tell you about a very interesting product from my favorite brand Healthy Masters. This is Daily Power Booster, which contains 23 magical ingredients. It is an amazing dose of nutrients. Ingredients like basil nut, hazelnuts, pista, walnuts, berries in the dried form, pecans, and many more. Here is the entire list. So let me show you how this looks. So you can see clearly it contains endless things. So it is rich in fiber, rich in omega-3, rich in vitamin E, high in energy, high in protein, source of iron and what not. So it definitely contains good amount of calcium as well. And now why you actually need it. This helps in boosting the daily energy which you take usually from the supplements. You don't have to now, because if you take this as one serving, like one serving could be one spoon, 10 grams in a day is enough, because it fulfills your all the needs of the nutrients in a day which is required. Now talking about when you can take it in the mid-morning, early morning, mid-evening, as a munching option when you feel low in energy or when you feel you are craving, because this is a very good alternative for the sugar cravings as well. Trust me, it's been 2-3 days I have been trying this and I really feel that I am not craving for sugar anymore. You can have it as a pre-workout, as a post-workout. You can also include them in your oatmeals, it becomes a very good traveling option. When you don't know what to take, you can just take this along with you, because this has nothing wrong in it. It is rich in omega-3. So I highly recommend this as one part of your diet. So all my followers, all my clients and the new people who are watching me must include this in your diet. A special thanks to Healthy Master team for launching such an amazing product which is the need of the hour. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more such informative videos.